Hi everybody, I'm Renee from Wanna Scrap, and today I'm going to share with you how I put together these adorable little Santa hat embellishments. Now I have this double-sided red paper, one's more shimmery than the other side, so I folded this shimmery side on the inside so it wouldn't have any pencil marks. So I want my Santa hat embellishments to be 1 inch in length. So I'm just going to start measuring 1 inch across the folded part because that's the part I want to fold over my string for the garland. And as you can see there, I marked off 6 inches there. And now I'm going to fold or turn the paper around to the open side, and I'm going to go in on a 1/2 inch, so that my points come down to the 1/2 inch mark and my banner folds over from the 1 inch mark, if that makes sense. So right there, that's going to give me my triangle. So from that 1/2 inch mark, I'm going to mark it 1 inch all the way across because that'll line up all my lines on the other side to the 1/2 inch mark. So I'm just going ahead and marking each 1/2 inch mark here. And I love how these turned out. I have them hanging, a bigger one hanging up in my house that Steve and I made, and I love it. We have it where there's little pockets that open up at the top, and sometimes we put in lottery tickets or other little gifts through the Christmas season. So it's a very fun embellishment, and I'm going to love using this in any project or on my scrapbooking. It's going to be great. So there we go, there's the triangles we're looking for, and I'm just going to keep marking them all off until I can cut them down. And we're almost done here. So as you can see, I've got all my pennants marked out, and now I'm just going to go ahead and cut them. And with the negative spaces, that's what I'm going to make my second Santa hat embellishment. And they open up like this, but I will be turning them over the other way so that the shimmery side is on the outside. And I'm just going to go ahead and cut all these out. And then once they're all cut out, I'm just going to turn them over to the way that I want. And I think I ended up using 5 of these, not 6 of them. So I shortened my banner just by that little bit. And I got this lovely Christmassy looking twine that I got from the dollar store. And right now I'm just going to put a little hot glue on the one end of the twine, and this is going to be my little loop. And you can always decorate these loops here with a little bling piece, or just leave it plain as is. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue making my loops here. And we're almost done, and then I'm just going to lay it out to see how I want to position all my Santa hats. And I found this easier to actually fold the string in half, which you'll see in a minute, just to get the middle mark. And you will need a little bit of glue here to make sure the whole panel stays shut. As you can see, I'm trying to find the middle mark here, but it was much easier just to pick up the string and just kind of fold it in half and mark it that way, just like this. And now I can see where I want the other one so it looks all even. And you just want to get them all glued on. And for the first Santa hat embellishment, I'm going to use some snow tacks. I'm having so much fun playing with this year. And you just kind of got to push it on, but once it's there and it hardens, it's It's not going anywhere. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply snow to all 5 of my Santa hats here. And I did let this dry overnight so that it was ready to be played with again, so I can attach all the little pom-poms. These are already looking so adorable. I absolutely love them. I can't wait to use these in my projects. These would even be a great addition to cards or what have you, or any flip books, pocket letters. Like, these are just so adorable. And I am using a non-stick surface here, so when it's all dried, which it does dry pretty fast, I just kind of loosen it with my thumb and get them all off. And there's one Santa hat embellishment completed. I love it. And now we're on to making the second one, and these pennants are made from the negative of the other one I just cut. So this one will not fold over, so you can make it either way. If you want to fold it over a piece of twine, or if you just want to glue it right onto the twine. I did do both here. And again, I'm just going to measure out where exactly I want them, and the string does want to keep folding up because it's been wrapped for so long, so I just kind of keep playing with it to straighten it out. And so that's what I'm doing with the second one. I put the string in half so that I can get an idea where my middle mark is, so I can make it all look even. And we're just going to pick up our little pieces and put it on there just right. And this hot glue will be very hot, so just be careful. Usually I wear finger rubber tips so my fingers don't burn, but sometimes I get lazy and I don't grab for it. So we're just going to go ahead and get them all glued on. And we're almost done here. And once that's done, I grabbed some faux fur that I had bought recently, and I'm loving that I finally was able to grab the white, and it was perfect for this little project. So I'm just going to get the glue gun, and you can pre-cut your pieces. I just laid it across like this, just to see the length that I want. And just be careful you don't cut the string, and I just trimmed it where I wanted it and continued to put it on all of the Santa hats. And this one came out so cute too. I don't even know which one is my favorite because I love them both. If you have a favorite, please comment in the comments below. I'd love to know which one you like better. And these are going to look so great in addition to a scrapbook if I have the other Santa hat garland that I made for our Christmas decor. It's just going to look great in the background, and then if I top it off with one of these embellishments, it's going to be all coordinating. So I'm just putting on the little pom-poms. And these look so adorable. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now, everybody. Have a good day.